Hi everyone, this is Pushpanjali Thakur. I'm a counseling psychologist and an international trainer and coach by profession. Today I'm here to discuss on how to address and calm your inner volcano. Well, when I say inner volcano, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Well, when I asked people who I know, they said anger, agitation, frustration, bitterness, short temper, but mostly anger within us. But then why the word volcano became a question shooting towards me. Well, have you ever been in a state where you have had a great day, you have had a great evening, but suddenly something happened, right? It could have been a talk with a friend, it could have been a conversation with a colleague, something you saw or heard, or it could have been just a small joke made on you, and suddenly you felt so frustrated or angry or offended that you felt like there was a kind of a rage rising within you, but also you realize that you shouldn't have been feeling or reacting this way. Let's take a small situation, like a signal turning red when you're just about to cross it, right? And that probably had made you feel so frustrated that you probably end up cursing the entire system, also thinking, why is this happening to me? Have you been thinking that you might have been maximizing or magnifying your reactions to various incidents happening in your life? If you have, then my friends, this is your inner volcano. Now, inner volcano is a term that I label to these feelings which we find very difficult to express or describe. When you're angry within, you're angry with others, people who are close to you, you're feeling low, you're feeling agitated, disturbed, insecure, right? These and many other such negative emotions that keeps getting, filled within us from years to years, and it gets piled up based on various kind of experiences or reasons or experiences that you have gone through or come across in your life. And we never dare to share this with other people, with the fear of being judged or being considered weak. We also sometimes sweep it under the carpet as if nothing ever happened, right? Just to make you look strong. But what is happening here is that because of this, these various kind of feelings and negative emotions and feelings that you're experiencing has taken a form of a bubbling lava within you, which is just ready to come out, right? It's just about to burst out, but you don't want that. Now, because of that, what is happening is there's an immense amount of stress, anxiety, guilt, depressive feelings that is being created within you, and which you're finding it very difficult to handle. Right now, why is happening that? As because of that, there are some problems that has been created in your personal and professional life. And the most important thing is that you would probably feel very disconnected with people around you. You're there, but you're not there. Something of that sort, right? And if this is something that you're feeling, then you need to take hold of yourself. You need to bring in that calmness in your mind that will help freeze that bubbling negative emotion, right? And keeps you in a very positive state. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to be piling you up with a lot and lot of techniques that you can have to practice for hours and hours, but I want to just share a simple mindfulness breathing technique or ACT technique that I have actually made my mantra to calmness, which I have also used during the times where I had problem managing my inner volcano. The only thing that you need to look into, only thing that you need to know is that we need to keep practicing this. The more you practice, the more you're going to be getting used to it. So instead of reacting in a negative manner, your reaction would be this meditative technique, right? So when you're having these kind of emotions and feelings, I'm going to give you two versions of these techniques. One that you can use every day in the morning and in the night, or anytime when you want to replace it with a basic meditation, and one where you can use it anywhere. It could be your work, it could be while you're driving your car, anytime. So let's just begin. Let me give you a very visual demonstration of this meditative or this mindfulness technique. But I also want you to remember that we need to believe in it. We need to believe that it will work, and then you will see the magic happen. And remember that it takes time. So we need to practice and practice so that we can change our autopilot, right? So let me just give you a visual demonstration of the technique and the shorter version of it that you can use anywhere. Let me give you a shorter version of this that you can use anywhere, anytime, be it at work or when you're somewhere outside. For that, I would need you to take a few quick breathe in and breathe outs. And while you're doing that, follow the particular steps I'm going to describe. Breathe in, and while you're breathing in, clench your fist as tightly as possible, as though You're capturing all your negative emotions and thoughts in them. Now breathe out and open your fists, letting them go. Repeat that for a few more times and breathe in and breathe out in a faster manner. You can also do this exercise with your open eyes. Breathe in, clench your fists, breathe out, let go.